Every excuse you make is costing you so much more than you actually think. Listen, excuses are like a tumor. If you don't remove them, they're going to grow and they're going to get worse, and it's going to impact your health in a level you don't want it to. Welcome back to the Life Tools Podcast with me, h.v. Life Coach, where we talk about how to awaken, reset, and transform your mindset, habits, and life for more positive, ideal results. If you want to transform your life, you got to remove the excuses. Okay, on the board you see right there, it says make moves, and then right there in parentheses it says not excuses. Make moves, not excuses. If you have been making excuses for yourself, I need you to grab a pen and paper, right? Grab a pen and paper. And I need you to write down one thing, your top excuse for this month. What is the one thing you've been saying to yourself that you'd be like, oh my God, I just can't do that. I can't do this. I can't. What is the one excuse? What is it? Label it, identify it, write it down. Okay. And then I need you to sit with yourself. Look at this look at this piece of paper, sit with yourself, right? Just sit with it, look at it, just stare at it. And ask yourself, what is the cost of this excuse? What is it costing me in time? What is it costing me in money? And then what is the potential cost? Meaning, if I continue down this path in 5-10 years, what could occur that would stop me from living the life I want to live? What could occur that would stop me and prevent me from being who I want to be? What would occur that would stop me from doing what I want to do, right? Because right now, you might not see the full effect of what your excuse is doing. But if you keep adding it on and on and on and on and on and on, I'll just work out next week. I'll work out tomorrow. I'll handle that later. You keep doing that. At some point, it's going to add up and it's going to show in your life. It's going to reveal something great in your life. And it's not going to be something you want to see. It's not going to be something you're happy about. But it will be there. And you have to calculate the time, the money, the energy, and the potential. It's costing you more than you realize. It's not just right here, right now, with this moment. It's the potential you, the potential opportunities, the potential future, the potential growth, the potential life, the potential anything. You live in a potentiality of reality, okay? Anything's possible at any moment. Anything can transmute at any moment. You can transform. And the key to that is when you write down that excuse, write down underneath it a specific action you're going to take to cut it out. Just get it done. Okay? That's the make moves part. You're not going to make excuses. You're not going to sit with yourself and say, oh, I wish I did this. No, you're going to do it right now. If something takes 5 minutes to do or 2 minutes to do it now. If you're planning for the future, don't put it off for tomorrow. Plan. If you need to do something, do it. Why put off tomorrow what you could do today? A lot of times people don't want to do things. They just want to let it be, have fun, let it float. No, some things are pertinent. They need to get done now. They're so important. They need to get done now. Okay? If that's not making sense to you, I don't know what is. But basically, you really got to cut up the excuses. You got to you got to identify what it is that's holding you back, that excuse, and sit with yourself and ask yourself the time it's going to cost you, the money it's costing you, the potentials it's costing you, the relationship it's costing you, the you that it's costing you. And then you have to take an action, something that's going to be trackable, something you can make sure that if I do this, this will remove the excuse. This will enable me to go and achieve this task, rather than sit here with myself and twiddle my thumbs, confused, asking myself, why didn't I do this? Why didn't I do that? Why can't I do this? And sit with regret later on in life. You live with two pains in life, the pain of discipline or the pain of regret. I don't want to live with the pain of regret. So I'm living with the pain of discipline. Make moves, not excuses. If this resonates with you, tell me down below how you allow yourself to remove excuses, how you allow yourself to build yourself up and hold yourself accountable to the things you say you're going to do. Okay? A lot of us live with excuses. You don't have to be one of them. We're not doing that in 2025 or 2026. Okay? As always, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Peace.